In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Amex points on Expedia. This is a complete and easy-to-follow guide to help you make the most out of your American Express rewards when booking travel, whether it's for a vacation or a business trip. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official American Express website. This is where you can access your account and explore travel options available through their platform. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In option on the home page and log in to your account securely. After signing in, you'll be able to access the travel section. This area allows you to browse and book a wide range of options, including flights, hotels, car rentals, vacation packages, cruises, and even activities. Use the search tool to enter your destination and travel dates. You can also refine your results by adjusting filters such as price range, schedule, or specific preferences, which helps narrow down the best options for your trip. When you find a travel option that suits your needs, select it and proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll choose how you want to pay. You'll typically see multiple payment options available. You can pay entirely with your card if you prefer to earn more points from the purchase. However, if you want to use your accumulated points, select the option that allows you to redeem them. If you're looking for a balance between saving money and preserving some of your points, you can choose to combine points with your card payment. This allows you to apply a portion of your points toward the total cost and pay the remaining balance with your card, which is a practical way to reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Before completing your booking, take a moment to carefully review all the details. Double-check your travel dates, destination, and any other important information to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks correct, finalize your booking. After completing the process, you'll receive a confirmation message with your travel details. Make sure to keep this for your records, as it contains important information about your reservation. And that's how you can easily pay with your points for a smooth and rewarding travel experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.